guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. We got some more upgrades today for the Fit. As you can see here, we added a little bit more features to this aero kit that we already got. I actually painted the blue edge around it and on the side skirts here. Some people like it, some don't. Leave your comments below. Let me know what y'all think. Put a decal here. Also on the inside, we added some blue pedals, shift knob in blue. Previously y'all seen we added a high flow cold air intake, or not cold air intake, just a high flow factory filter. I got these blue license plate covers, so whenever my plates actually get here, and we actually have a couple more items that showed up. We got this, which is a shift knob extender. In here we got some vent visors, and look at this, Pro Import tuners, 5 horsepower, 3 horsepower fucking decals that came with this. How about them apples? And in this big old box right here, we actually have, hopefully y'all can see that, some gloss carbon fiber. I've always wanted to take a vehicle and wrap the entire hood and the top in gloss carbon fiber. So that's what we have in store for today to get that going. Alright, so on this little extender here, it's pretty self-explanatory on how it works. Let's see if I can get it open here with one hand. There you go. So basically it's threaded on one side, females and male on the other. And also I got coming, guys, a short shifter. So basically all you have to do here, supposedly, unscrew this bag off. Probably gonna have to take the nut with it. Hold on a second. Hey guys, I just get a call about my vehicle's extended warranty. I just got this car. So this is supposedly supposed to screw on right here, like so. Hopefully it goes all the way down. And I will take this nut. Oh no. Might actually get it too far. slams right here. Let me tweak with something here. Alright guys, there we go. Now it is a little bit different color, I noticed, unfortunately. But I think it'll be alright right there. Once we get the short throw drifter, it won't be so sloppy. That way you can basically set right here like this and shift. Boom. 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 All the way over in reverse. Anyway, we'll test it out, see how well we like it. Can always put it back to normal.